Simulating manufacturing, this is our life. Simufact is developing software for the design, verification and optimization of production processes with the help of process simulation for over 20 years. We are an engineering-driven company that understands the manufacturing process. With this understanding, develops the software for the practitioner in production. Tailor-made, practical and easy to use. Simufact has metal in its blood. We are the metal experts. Forming, welding, joining, additive manufacturing, all metal-based production processes. Steel in various alloys, copper, brass, light metals such as aluminium or titanium. Metal is our core competency. Here we know the ropes. We focus on the actual manufacturing process, in the forges of this world, in forming and rolling mills, in factories where sheet metal is pressed, punched and welded. We are in the middle of the fourth industrial revolution. We are part of the digitized production chain. We make sure that results from virtual tries flow back into the production chain and production design. With simulation methods, we illustrate what is happening in the production process and what the results are, or better put, what the results would be. We can help save time, material costs during the testing process, and help to improve the products. Our aim of first time right for our customers is also our greatest aspiration. Research results from mathematics, physics, chemistry and material science are often directly incorporated into industrial innovations. We simulate these innovations to optimize new manufacturing processes. We use new mathematical physical computation models to make even more precise predictions. With our approaches and concepts, we are working on innovative solutions for the future. Changes in manufacturing over the past 20 years happen rapidly. New materials, new production methods, the trend toward lightweight construction, the emerging of new technologies. Simufact is a manufacturing unit of MSC Software and part of Hexagon. This integration into a large company family gives us the opportunity to act both globally and locally. Our customers know that their investments are secure. With our passion for metal, our expertise in the manufacturing world, our efforts to move boundaries, to work hard on the edges of what's feasible, and to push innovation forward, we are only seeing the beginning of what is possible.